In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify account email address. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to safely update the main email that's attached to your account. Let's start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Go ahead and log in the way you normally do. Once you're on the main admin page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a small circle with an image or initials, depending on your account. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, look for the option that refers to your account. It might simply say Your Account or something similar. Click that option. Shopify will then open a new page in your browser, which is your account profile's general settings. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. On this account page, focus on the top section labeled Details. This is where your key account information is stored, including your current email address. Take a second to confirm that you're in the right place by spotting the email that's currently associated with your account. On the right side of that email line, you'll see an option to update it. Click the Update button. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear asking you to verify your password. This is an important security step to make sure it's really you making changes to your account. Carefully type in your Shopify password in the field provided. Once you've entered it, click the Verify button at the bottom right of the pop-up. After your password is verified, the pop-up will refresh to let you enter your new email address. Click into the email field and type the new email you want to use for your Shopify account. Make sure there are no typos and that you're using an email you have access to, since Shopify will send a confirmation there. When you're happy with the new email, click Change Email at the bottom right of the pop-up. The last step happens in your inbox. Open the inbox for the new email address you just entered and look for a message from Shopify asking you to verify the change. Open that email and follow the verification link or instructions inside. Once you've done that, your Shopify account email address will be successfully updated and ready to use.